आज विषमता के अंतर्गत हम अखंडित श्रेणी कंटिन्यूस सीरीज के सवाल करेंगे। कंटिन्यूस सीरीज की पहचान, व्हेन मार्क्स इज गिवन इन ग्रुप, मार्क्स 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency 3, 10, 20, 7, 5. अब हमारा फार्मूला क्या है? जेकब स्क्विनेस का फार्मूला है, स्क्विनेस इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस जेड, और यदि कोफिशिएंट ज्ञात करना है, जे इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस जेड अपॉन स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन। सबसे पहले हमारा काम क्या रहेगा कि हम मीन निकालेंगे, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन निकालेंगे, और उसके बाद ग्रुपिंग एनालिसिस टेबल के आधार पर हम ये पता करेंगे कि कौन सा ग्रुप अधिक बार आया है। इसके बाद एक्चुअल मोड कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम फार्मूला लगाएंगे। अब सबसे पहले हमारा काम ही ये है, मीन और स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे। मार्क्स, फ्रीक्वेंसी, मिड वैल्यू, dx, fdx और स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन के लिए fdx स्क्वायर। ऊपर हेडिंग रहेगी कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ स्क्विनेस बाय कार्ल पियर्सन फार्मूला। Marks, frequency. Both items you should get in the question. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency as per question 3, 10, 20, 7, 5, and this total will be 30, 40, 45, n is equal to 45. For mid value, the formula is L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So it will be here 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. For deviation, we should take lowest figure 5. The difference should be here 10, 20, 30, 40. FDX means frequency multiplied by deviation. This multiplied by deviation, we can say second column multiplied by fourth column. 3 multiplied by 0, 0, 10 multiplied by 10, 100, 20 multiplied by 20, it should be 400, 30 multiplied by 7, 210, and 40 multiplied by 5, 200. Sigma FDX is equal to 800, 910. After that, for fdx square, the formula should be here 0, 10 multiplied by 100, 1000, 400 multiplied by 20, 8000, 210 multiplied by 30, 6300, and 40 multiplied by 200, it should be 8000. Total should be here sigma fdx square 16, 6, 22, 23,300. 23,300. After that, we should use formula A is equal to x plus minus sigma fdx upon n. The assumed mean is 5 plus sigma fdx 910 divided by n is 45 is equal to 5 plus, it should come 910 divided by 45, so 20.22, 20.22, answer should be here 25.22 marks. This is A. For theta, theta is equal to under root sigma fdx square upon n minus sigma fdx upon n whole square. Sigma fdx square, the total is 23,300 divided by 45 minus sigma f dx 910 divided by 45 whole square. 23,300 divided by 45. So answer will be here 518 and 910, so it should become 20.22 multiplied by 20.22, figure should be 409 minus 409. 518 minus 409, it should be 109. Under root we should calculate, so theta is equal to 100 का अंडर रूट आ जाएगा 10.4. After that, for j formula is a minus z, j is equal to a minus z, and for coefficient we should calculate a minus z upon standard deviation. So here first we should calculate grouping table, after that analysis table. After analysis table we will see which is highest, which frequency is coming more time. 20 frequency group is 20 frequency appears more time, so group will be 20 to 30. So hence f1, f0, f2, this is l1, this is l2. The formula for mode is z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0, 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, L2 minus L1. We can see here L1 is 20 plus F1 means frequency of group which appear more time 20, F0 preceding frequency 10, 2 multiplied by 20 minus 10 minus 7, 30 minus 20. This is 20 plus 10 upon 40 minus 17 multiplied by 10. This is 20 plus 100 upon 23. 23, 30, 40. Okay. 20 plus 100 divided by 23, so it should be 4.34. So answer should be here 24.34. This is Z answer marks. After that, on the basis of this answer, mean answer, median answer and mode answer, we can put coefficient of j is equal to a minus z upon standard deviation. So a means 25.22, standard deviation minus 10.44, and mode is 24.34. So 25.22 a minus z upon standard deviation. Okay, so our z is 24.34 and standard deviation is, we have calculated 10.44. So answer should be here 25.22 minus 24.34. So it should come 0.88 divided by 10.44 divided by 10.44. So j should come here, j is equal to 0.08. So this will be our answer. So in the condition of coefficient of variation, the coefficient of skewness, first we should calculate mean, after that standard deviation, after that z. All answer we should put for coefficient of skewness. So answer should come here, j is equal to 0.08. Thank you.